Jammer arm chest press. Jammer arms can be a helpful modality. Being a more fixed movement can place less demand on the body for stability, so we can focus on pushing some heavy shit. On your bench, line the feet up just behind the knee to keep the butt pushed back into the seat, and tuck the shoulders. Keep wrists as neutral as possible, and line the elbows up behind the hands. Hands and elbows should be at chest level. Using the low traps and lats, keep the shoulders depressed from the ears. Press the weight away from you as if you were driving your upper back down into the bench. Since the jammer arms are on an angled fulcrum, the weight will get heavier the closer you get to extension. On the descent, emphasize on keeping the shoulders down, as it is easy to let the weight make your shoulders shrug, which will cause your shoulders to take a beating. As I said, being a more fixed modality, like other machines, it is easier to compensate without realizing it, so be mindful of things like squirming, letting the chest cave in and letting the shoulders take over, or letting the elbows flare too high and cause unnecessary strain on the shoulders.